Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to study gross and net pay by looking at a pay stub example. So let's dive right in. So you'll have the employer's address, you'll have your address, your employer's number, stuff like that, the date. And then the next section here, hours and earnings. So this is where you have regular hours being paid at a certain rate. In this case, it's $25 an hour. 40 hours a week, so there's 2 weeks here, 80, earning $2,000, like that. And then next section is before tax deductions. So this could be, in this case, money being put in towards a pension and fees here for your union dues. The next section here, the taxes section. So we have CIT 320. This is Canadian income tax. So this is provincial and federal taxes together. CPP, we have 100 here. So this is for Canada Pension Plan. This is so that when you retire, you're going to receive a small amount from CPP towards you as a bit of income. The next here is EI, which stands for Employment Insurance. And what this is if you get fired from your job, instead of being on welfare, you can be on employment insurance, being on EI, where you'll receive a certain percentage that you used to make before you got fired. And this is typically more than welfare. And so if you pay into EI for a certain amount of time, you become eligible of receiving EI later if you need it in case you get fired. So employer paid benefits, in this case pension. So in this particular pay stub example, you pay into the pension and then your company also pays into the pension for you. So in this case, there's $420 that went into your pension, but you only paid $220 like that. Another example is stocks. Some companies say if you invest in our stocks, we will match it and also pay into those stocks so that you have more. So here we have total gross, right? This is all your hours and earnings before tax and deductions, like that. Total taxes, total deductions, and then you have net pay. So 2,000 minus 460 minus 266, giving 1,274. And this is the amount that goes into your checking account, and this is your purchase power. So whenever you're doing a simple budget, you want to use your net pay to see how much you can afford different things. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.